Yeah, so I made some orders from CDK, and in this video I want to unbox the things I ordered. Some of them are like tech gadgets anyway. I have like, I think what is in here is like a stand, but then the stand is not like the normal laptop stand. Then I have like a power bank here. This guy is very heavy, but don't worry, I'm just going to unbox them right away. Let's start from the smallest. This is like the smallest. Then this guy is also very light. Before we now move to the biggest, so we have yeah. All right, so this is what we have here. How much did I get this? I think I got it for 12. I think it was 12,000. Yeah. I don't know why they covered the picture. You know, I would have shown you. But then I'm just going to, I think the first thing I should do is first unwrap every single thing. So like this is the first, right? Then okay. And then this is the second. So this is what I have here. This particular order was inspired by my best friend David. I spent some time at his place in the school, his apartment, and then this lamp actually entered my eyes. Um, yeah, yay! God I beg. So we have this, and then we have this lamp. So I'm going to say open the third order, and this is like the one I'm genuinely looking forward to. This thing is like, look at, guys, see, this thing is heavy. This is new age 66,000 milliampere power bank. How much did I get this? I think 60 something thousand. I think I got this guy for 20 something. I forgot it now. But I got that power bank for like 60 something thousand. Um this guy here, I've been looking forward to this guy. Guys, see. This is it. This is it. This was like 30 something thousand or so. This is it. This is nice. This is nice. So we have them like this. I'm just going to unbox them next. So now let's unbox these guys. Let's unbox these guys that I got from CDK. I finished unwrapping them. So let me start from the smallest. I'm going to start from the smallest, which is this guy here. Right. So this is like a laptop stand. This is like a laptop stand. But I think it's not like the normal laptop stands you can see. So um wow. This feels premium. This feels so premium. Yeah, I don't want to spoil it. I think I will have to like learn how to use it because I don't want to spoil it and all of that. But like assuming I have my phone here, I could have just like I'm recording this with my phone if not I would have just tested it. But this is nice. I think this is nice. I just like the way it looks premium. Yeah. So I can just I'm done with this. The next is this guy here. The next is this guy here. So we have this light, this lamp. It's a table lamp, and I'm looking forward to when I will start staying off K in my own apartment. In my own apartment. I'll be apartment. Apartment. But then I'll be able to set up my workspace and all of that. But this is nice, guys. I've not even seen it. I'm saying it's nice. But then from what I saw at David's place, my best friend's place, is actually nice. See? Yep. See? Yeah. See it? And then once you just tap on this, I think it's low or something. I don't know. Okay, you have to vote on it. You have to vote on it at the back. There are some buttons here. Then I think it should. I've not charged it anyways. It's new, but at least you can see that the light is coming on. Then you can also increase it. Wow. Then there's also a little light here. So if I tap on this second one, yes, you can see it. There's a little light here. So you can actually on both at the same time. You can see that. It's actually nice, to be honest. It's very nice. So yeah, that's like the that's like the second guy, yeah. It came with like cords and then this. Alright, so the third guy, yeah, this power bank. I want to unbox this power bank as the last thing. So I'm just going to, since that's like the most costliest order, I miss all these orders. So like I have this guy here. So I'm just going to, so this guy has a lot of features actually. You can rotate your laptop or your tab, whatever you place on it by 360. I have a laptop, I have a tab, so I mean this is going to be very, 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 very good for me. And then it also has like a fan, right, to cool whatever you place on it, and it's just very, very nice. I think it's just very, very nice because until I use it before I can reach a conclusion. How do they am I going okay. All right. So we have the first thing here, which is this guy. So this cord came with it. Wow, this is oh wow, this is nice, guys. See, and then this is nice. This is nice, guys. This is nice. See, uh, then see how it's packed. So I think aside this also came with it. I don't know what's there, but okay. I think this is like a screwdriver or something to drive some screws. I don't know how this will come in handy, but yeah, I'm just going to put that back, then put it here. So I'm going to open this now. I love this packaging, I must say. I actually love this packaging. Wow. I think my issue now is going to be how I'm going to be carrying this around. But look at that, guys. See, this is nice. This is nice. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to. I don't want to destroy these things. Well, you can see, I'll just place my laptop or my tab on this, and I mean, you are going to watch me use them. So if you stay around, I'm going to use them. So yeah. Then the last, but not the least, is this guy here. Man, this is going to serve me so much. It's going to serve me for my broadband. I'm going to be using to charge my broadband. And I just believe it's going to come in very handy. All right, so let's unbox this guy. This guy. This guy. So first of all, this is Don Jazzy. I think it's like the ambassador or something. Um, let me unwrap. This is totally sealed, and it's just nice. Just nice. Just nice. Just nice. Meanwhile, I actually have a power bank. I have like new age power bank. I got this. Yeah, I got this in like January of 2023. 2024. Right, that was last year. If you are watching this video in 2025, I got this particular one, and it's actually still good, even though it has started showing signs of misbehaving, a bit misbehavior. So you can see it's not even on. I think it's down or something. So they started misbehaving, and that's why I decided to get like a second. Okay, it's actually on now. I plugged in my charger and then it came on. This is like 28%, right? This is like 28% currently, but the power bank served me. I've been using this since January. Ordered it from Jumia in from New Age in I think January or February of 2024, and I still use it till date. So I believe that this is even going to serve me better. So I'm just going to call that. All right, so I'm just going to call this. Yep. Yep. And then the next thing here is it's still sealed. So I'm going to have to cut this seal. Yep. So I'm going to. Yep. Wow. This package, not too much. Wow. 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 This is nice. See. Size package. So this USB came with it. At this point, I have so many USB cord, right? A lot. I mean, because of the gadgets that I've gotten. This guy is Jesus. This guy is heavy, guys. See, I think this is just foam, nothing more. This is just foam, nothing more. So just this cord. I don't know why the head will not come with it, anyways. I don't know why. I think I have to buy the head separately. But see, guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Wow. See, I think it's currently 69. So I'm going to charge it full before I start using it. Wow, this is nice. I love how it smells too. I mean, it smells new, as it should be. Look at this. I just love this packaging. I just love the whole thing. Charge full before use. So they actually place this here. Look at that. This guy. So it said charge full before use. That was what was written on it, and this is nice. I'm going to go charge it now, so that hopefully it charges full before night. But this is very nice. I mean, I've not started using it, but I'm impressed by the packaging. I just hope and pray and believe that it's going to serve me well and all of that. So that's all for the order. I got this guy. I got this guy. Right? I got this guy. Then I got this guy. Very classy. Then I got this guy. I got this guy too. This is nice. This is nice. So that's that about that. If you want to see me use them, or you are interested in knowing how they go, if they I mean if they serve me well, which I believe they will by the grace of God, then just stick around and stay tuned.